Wrapping up our analysis of the application, we see that it has no tests. You may have noticed inside the various solutions that I've been working with that there are projects there for unit tests and integration tests, but right now those have no actual tests within them. The only way that we've been testing our code is through the use of manual tests, or in this case we've been just running the code over and over again, hoping that we still get the same result that we got when we started. As we add functionality, it becomes more and more expensive to verify that the results are correct, especially as the data gets larger or the number of different operations get larger, and if the time required to actually run the code gets longer and longer, our manual testing process gets more and more expensive as more and more time is wasted on these long-running queries. Another problem with this code when it comes to testing is the use of static methods. The static methods introduce tight coupling in our application because there's no way to replace through dependency inversion or similar procedures the code that's being executed within the static method. These are difficult to test because of these tight coupled dependencies, which oftentimes lead to third-party infrastructure things that the code is tied to, like a database, and it makes it very difficult to change the behavior without actually going in and changing the code. It also limits our ability to use object-oriented design techniques such as inheritance and polymorphism because static methods inherently don't support those, at least in the C# language. Now it's worth noting that there are some third-party tools that will go and do some tricks within the code to make it so that you can mock out or change what static methods do. But speaking only about the stuff that ships with the .NET framework and the types of code that you would typically use to test the code, static methods are a problem.